Hello guys, I'm Tafresh Qureshi, MBBS student from Oxford Medical College. Today I want to say about the next exam, National Exist Test is proposed license and medical examination which will constitute the final year of MBBS program in India. The purpose of introducing the national exist test is claimed to be that as above is also a licensed exam and is governed by the government. The graduates of the above exam will be more sophisticated and knowledgeable doctors. Introduced by the National Medical Commission Bill 2019, next will also serve the purpose of screening test for foreign medical graduates who are required to qualify Medical Council of India. Screening test foreign medical graduates examination or FMGE and will for admission into the postgraduate medical courses. In January 2020, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare also introduced the draft National Dental Commission bill that also called for national exist test for BDS for dentists in India, and it's a type of MCQ based questions, and the purpose is all India level exams to be judged the overall knowledge and gained and practical understanding developed by the students enrolled in MBBS courses. It will also serve as entrance to the PG course and screening test for foreign medical graduates. Year of started yet to be finalized by the government of India, and it's mainly in India. The very first bill of amendment to the NMC bill was in February 2018. Then again in March 2019, a lot of debates and discussions regarding this came up for the medical practitioners and medical aspirants. On January 7, 2019, the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Bill 2019, abbreviated as National Medical Commission Bill or NMC Bill, was introduced in Rajya Sabha by Sripad Yesoka Naik, Ministry of State for Ayush. On July 17, 2019, the Union Cabinet approved the bill with the purpose of unify all the medical entrance examination and setting uniform standards for the Indian system of medicine. Among other reforms, NMC bill seeks to introduce next in the Indian system of medicine and replace the Medical Council of India with a new authority that will called the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine, abbreviated as National Medical Commission or NMC. Criticism: a lack of provisions for repeaters and failures of the test was cited as a concern. However, it was clarified that exam will have no cap on the number of attempts. Which MBBS batch is the first to appear for the next exam? According to the section 49 of the said act, the students who were already enrolled and studying in medical institute for degree or diploma or certificate immediately before the commencement of the act will continue on the same pattern as before, and the institute shall make arrangement for conducting exams as per previous pattern. Since the act received the presidential assent on August 8, 2019, and by that time 2019-20 batch was already enrolled. So most probably the next exam will be conducted for 2020 and 21 batch for the first time, and for the people saying next will be conducted in 2020, they are all speculations, but according to the will of Parliament, 2020 and 21 batch has to be the first. Let's wait for the details, rules and regulations by NMC, as it has replaced MCI on 25th September 2020.